check of her attendance given yung mga sinabi po ni Attorney Poa po?
Well, it's actually her choice whether to come or not. No, but from the perspective of an ordinary Filipino citizen, no, these questions have been raised since the 19th Congress. I think 2024 pa. Now it's 2026 already. And I believe that a huge number of Filipinos wanted to hear the answer of the Vice President. And it is from this light that I am hopeful that the Vice President will be availing of this opportunity to answer all the allegations, no? Kasi, di ba, hypothetically, if you're claiming innocence, you should take advantage of all opportunity to prove your innocence. And this hearing proper is the best opportunity for her to defend herself from the allegations in the complaint. Ano tong mga allegations na to? Misuse of confidential fund, my bribery, my threat, my unexplained wealth. These are serious allegations na in the ordinary set of things, you will take advantage of all opportunity para maipagtanggol mo ang sarili mo. Especially, this concerns the Vice President, the second highest official of the land. No, it is from this light that I'm hoping that she will be able to come